Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway. So where we are is by the Sun Coast Adventure Park. So this highway, it runs from Harborview to Port Antonio, or from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. The section that we are touring today is section 1A. The highway is being built in sections. So section 1A takes you from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallus Bridge. So the Harborview Bridge is in St. Andrew, and section 1A takes you to the Yallus Bridge, which is in St. Thomas. So this section that we're looking at now is the part of section 1A, the section between the Harborview Bridge and the Yallus Bridge. And to be more specific, this section is just outside the Sun Coast Adventure Park, and you're going to get a glimpse of what the highway is going to look like when it's finished. So this section is going to be 4 lanes, and it's going to run along the existing roadway from the Sun Coast Adventure Park to just outside the Grand Spend area in St. Thomas. So we are in St. Thomas now. So it's going to be 4 lanes, but the 2 lanes that you see the traffic on are finished, and the other 2 lanes to the right are under construction. So basically this section that we spoke about, from the Sun Coast Adventure Park to just outside the Grand Spend area, the highway is going to run along the existing roadway. So the 2 lanes are going to be upgraded to 4 lanes of highway quality road, which is what we're looking at now. So the truck is driving on the 2 lanes, and then to the right of the concrete barricade, they are building the 2 additional lanes to make it 4 lanes. So let's take a tour of this finished section. And as each section is finished, they open it up to the public. The entire highway is scheduled to be finished in 2025, and that will be all 110 kilometers of road between St. Andrew and Portland. So this gives you an excellent idea of just the quality or the type of roadway that this area is going to get. And this side of the island has never seen roads like this before. Never. This is a game changer. And then there on the right, you can see the additional lanes. There you can see them working on because remember, this road was already 2 lanes, so they're expanding it to 4 lanes and also upgrading it to a highway quality road. So on the right of this barricade is where the existing roadway was, because as we said, this side of the island never had roads that look like this. Alright, so this section of the road hasn't been renovated yet. This is the existing road that was here before. So there you can see them building the new lanes on the left. Now, at this point, so from the Suncoast Adventure Park to this point where we are now, the road is going to run along the existing roadway. So that roadway will be upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. However, at this point, the highway takes a new alignment. So just by Albion Heights, the highway is going to veer right, and a new road will be built that will bypass the Grand Spen area and drop you back out by Albion. And then from Albion to the Yallows Bridge, it will run along the existing roadway. So this is why the persons in Albion are complaining that their business is suffering because of the highway, because the traffic no longer goes through Grand Spen. So to the right is where the new alignment of the highway starts, and it goes over the hill and connects back to the main, the section that runs along the main road by Albion. So this section that we're driving on now is going to be bypassed when the highway is open. The good thing is this section that we're driving on now, it's nothing but, there are no stores, no establishments until you get to Grand Spen. It's just hill road, but Grand Spen was a major district on the main road, a major district. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.